nice outfit. It's like mine with a black metal spin. You'll have to introduce me to your tailor.
We will not be stopped.
Wait, I only see a filthy criminal in a knockoff costume. That's going to leave a bruise. Who are these other guys? I thought you and I were really bonding.
He will help us introduce you to your doom.
Okay, I see how it is. Well, fine. This means I'm removing you from my friends list. About that. That hurt. Take it off, Spidey. Didn't you guys hear? I have the proportionate strength and speed of a spider.
Spider-Man, help me.
Brock? What have they done to you?
You will join us or die.
This is getting pretty rough. going to leave him. Take it off, Spike.
Is that the best you can do?
That hurt. This is getting pretty rough. Ouch.
Martin!
Eddie, what happened to you?
It was Oscorp. I found evidence that they were the ones giving weapons to the gangs. They caught me before I could get it to the paper. Took me to a lab. They said if I was so interested in their experiments, I could become one. Then,
Hey, just rest. It's gonna be okay.
I overheard a scientist. He said it was a new strain from Richard Parker's research.
We'll find somebody who can help you. And then, I'll make Oscorp pay for this. I promise.